Here's what the WOWO Newsroom is working on.
Hey everybody, I'm Chuck Rowe. It's Friday, May 3rd, and Fort Wayne Mayor Tom Henry is defending the city's police department after the fourth fatal shooting in 3 months. The mayor says that the police are doing all they can to deal with the problems they face, such as guns, gangs, drugs, even mental illness. He wants to reassure the citizens of Fort Wayne that public safety is a top priority. Now, this Sunday is Fort Wayne's Prayers for the City event. The mayor says it will celebrate religious diversity while seeking divine intervention. It gets underway at 4 p.m. at the University of St. Francis Performing Arts Center. That's the old Scottish Rite Auditorium. It will include singing, dancing, scripture, and prayer. Federal officials are in Indiana to assess the damage from recent flooding. FEMA staffers visited Kokomo yesterday, and they found that the number of homes that were affected by the high water has more than tripled. Residents of Howard, Tipton, Madison, and Wabash counties are being told to contact local officials to ask for FEMA representatives to visit their properties. Get the latest on these stories and more at Newstalk 1190 WOWO, 92.3 FM, and always right here online. Just point your browser to WOWO.com.